Actually, we have told that you are using of the DeepSeek after going with the many models like that. But DeepSeek is a dependency, Nana. So much of dependency will be there for this, no? How you are going to be rectify that? And also, it's a lack of transparency will be there in the DeepSeek when you are using the decision making when you are going. Lack of transparency will be there, and data privacy will not be there, no, in the DeepSeek comparatively other than.
Yes, ma'am. In order to tackle this, we have decided to build our own machine learning model.
That means it is not yet completed. Till now, it is not completed. You are going to be built up. Yes.
I am going to. I mean, we are
So,
going.
because this is the main
Currently,
problem, Nana. Actually, security risk will be there in the DeepSeek. Just have a doubt on that. It is a security risk will be there, and also dependency, initial dependencies will be there. So much of increasing dependencies will be there. Continuous training should be there in the DeepSeek when you are going to be used. Continuous monitoring is very difficult when a model is going to be created. Continuous training of the model is very difficult, no?
Mhm.
These are all some problems what I know according when you're using of the deep seek.
so ma'am, currently we do not provide any personal information of the user to the DeepSeek model. All
Hmm.
the email and password is only stored in our database. All the model gets is the parameters, like the number of people.
Initially it is okay, but when you're going for the eternity, obviously we are going to give you when we are going to pay the amount, we will be
Yes.
using of some transactions. We will be using card numbers and everything. If it is risk is more, right? This mainly your concept is for booking of itinerary. When you are booking for itinerary, compulsory you will be using of your bank transactions, phone pay or GPay or whatever it may be your cards, so that if the this type of the risk is going to be create a problem, right?
So currently, what our focus was to create a affordable that model. That's why we used open source. So, like currently, we don't plan like we plan a free application.
Okay, just think of that. It is my question.
Yes.
Just think
Okay.
of that. When you are going to develop a project, we should think the mainly the risk only. Risk factor is the main thing. If risk factor is not going to be there, automatically our project is going to be good. People
Yes.
will be using of our application. Yes. Okay, then. Good. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Please join the meeting at last. Now, the Team PCE Academic Event Management System. Gunjan, please turn on your video.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Please note it. You have 8 minutes for presentations and 5 minutes for question and answer session. Please
Yes.
don't explain the PPT, direct explain the execution part.
Okay, ma'am. This is a project regarding academic event management system. This is a project which can be having. I can identify many problems in my college, so I can make this project. We can publish an event. We can organize an event. That in that we have many of the specific tasks such as budgets or anything the stuff we needed, such like music systems or else stage or many things chairs. We can consider and we have to participate many of the faculties, many of the HODs or many of the students which having to done a great fest or great event to be recognized. So many of the times I will be a volunteer of my college in events. So I can identify that many of the times majority of miscellaneous concepts or miscellaneous things will happen through events such like I will tell this my friend to do the work, he will not do the work, or suppose we have many of the guest report, many of the budget report, not having a budget report. Sorry, we are not having a budget report, so it can be we can present specific amount of money, but we spend this greater than the specific amount of money. So it is not an proper management. So that's why I can identify this problem and making the academic event management system projects. This is our project, and this is the homepage of my project. This is my email ID and stuff. After that, this is my login ID. This is my interface of academic event management. We have a student panel.
Excuse me, I am not able to see your presentation. I mean, the whatever your login page or.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. I forgot about the screen sharing. Let me share my screen. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
This is my homepage of my projects. Is academic event management system. This is our college building, which having a software branch. This is our fest in my college, which having several photos, the about us section and contact us. After that, the academic event management we can having get started. After that, we all stuff will be present in front of that. Such as we have having a specific login, such as principal, HOD, and faculty. The we have to present some such like we have to present an event. We have to present an event. So the authority of the presenting an event is have to a faculty, HOD, and students. Student is not having a proper authority to publish our events. It is only with backend. So if we publish an event, then after that we have a approval from a several flows. We can explain. I can explain how to float, how to being contributed to approval of a flow by a flowchart. Hello, hello.
Yes.
Am I audible? Hello, ma'am. May I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. That's after that. We propose an event in the specific panel, such as we have a acid alley. This is our principal. So the new HOD, the principal having authority to admit a new HOD of other branches. The reports of HOD faculties. When we publish an event, we have the specific reports, which what the work done by HOD, what the work done by faculty is seen in the panel of the principal. Principal is the only one which can be admitted not to registration, just like we having panel to students login or anything else reset. So we can all admit through a backend. So after that, we have a student reports, upcoming events, participation report, event report, new HOD, approval event. Such we have, suppose we publish an event. The notification we gone through the at principal. So it can be approval. Approval event we can see 0 here. So we have to see 1 only. Then after that, he will suppose the principal approve the event. Principal approve the event. Then after the HOD will suppose I can publish an event. Principal will approve that. Then the HOD panel having after the approval of the principal, the HOD panel may be having a notification to having an event to approve that. They the HOD panel having to register new faculties, having a register new faculties participating report. All the stuff of the principal panel should be not there, but specific there, such like participation report of the student or faculties, student reports, event report, and upcoming events, and approval event. We have the many of the stuff such we can that. After that, the Dr. Prakash Prasad, our HOD. After that, we have a faculty
You left
panel.
with 2 minutes, please complete it first.
Hello.
You left with 2 minutes, please complete it first, and also you have question and answer session.
Okay, ma'am. I haven't done with the activity. Then after that, propose event. The faculty having a propose event section, just to approve student section, how to student approve a student, and all the stuff detail approval status, and mainly having a student report section. The student report section of a student authority to maintain a report to submit to faculty, and faculty upload and propose an event which have been approved by a principal. Then after the student panel, this is a student panel, and there is a such like we have a date tech fest, and this is the name of the fest, and we place and timing and large that this is only a student panel which can be able to see us, which can see by the student. Only the data should be given that what kind of work should be done by a student in this panel after logging for the student panel. I have done my working. Oh, thank you.
Now it's question answer session.
Yes, I firstly I would like to know, is this implemented in your college, or this is just a prototype that you have built and you
Uh,
are planning to implement it?
Ma'am, this is just prototype. After the confirmation of our principal, we are talking to our principal. After the confirmation, we can many of the changes our faculty were tell me about the changes of this front end and back end. So after approval, we can change our whole front end and back end, and then after approval, we can publish, or it means given whole given to our college. That's like is that.
Okay. So since this is not implemented, I am thinking that this is quite similar to what a ERP system does. The only thing is that your entire idea focuses on the academic event management, which is usually incorporated inside of the ERP system, usually in most of the institutes, is what I know. So I'm not sure how independently implementing this is effective. Um, but yeah, can you specify how different is it from the ERP system? Because usually it is inculcating all these things in it.
Ma'am, ERP system having a login ID password, everything having a specific panel which can be such like we have taken admission in college. There must be after admission we can able to log in, or the faculties or the admin department having provide us ERP login ID password. After that we login ID password we can after that we login and password. There must be Wi-Fi passwords or fees receipts or any forum fee. It's like many we have all data, well fees or any of the stuff we are not paid by a college, or we have an events or scholarship section. That must be an ERP that works through ERP. I preferably I having a I'm in fourth year of my college. I am run my ERP. I work on ERP. In my college there are the ERP session which not included only the one session only of the student which is having a login ID password. Many of the ERP having not working properly, or website may be crash after the load is coming. So I
Okay, I
think
guess I think I suggest you to think over integrating this system in the ERP, because it will be common to all. And since it requires approval and everything, it is quite similar to the existing ERP system, is what I think of. Uh, I think, yeah, that's it.
yes, ma'am.
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Upper faculty having say that because of your website, the notification, please make the app system. Just like app is very convenient to use for mobile or any of the devices. So the upper faculty, after the approval, the website is not done by the approval. The upper faculty is not approve the website. So I I have a plan to ask what should you need it. So if he asks for an app, I can build an app, and after that, I can able to work on that same as the website. This is I can make. So it is very convenient to use. This is
Okay,
my
okay. Got it. Thank you.
thank you.
Hello, Ma.
Ma'am, may I
Actually,
say?
it's an academic event management system, right? So
Yes.
that in this the event management system, what is the software tool you are going to be used for designing the streamline of planning or organizing or execution?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is the software you are using for this?
Ma'am, basic software, just like we have to front end, back end. Front end we are use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back end use uh, React, some Reacts, and we can use a database of Mango.
This is only for the like as in only for event registration, like seminars or the workshops or the FDPs, like what we are connecting virtual Vista. For this all type of events, or you are combining with your academia also?
No, no, ma'am. Just like the virtual Vista, also it can be completed through an event, such like that. Many of the events will be published, and mainly my motive is to make a report of our event after the every having a faculty or HOD having a report. Will what should be the work done by students? What should be work by panel? What should be the budget? What should be the something else which can be held in our events? That's my motive, ma'am.
But it is not completed, right? It is you are working on it.
Yes, ma'am, I think so. Because after my fourth year, because of my fourth year project external, I can make this project after the after the requirement of our senior faculties. He can say that to the- he can say to approval of this website. So that's why I am waiting for the approval after I can working on it.
Okay.
Thank you, PC. You can join the meeting at last.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all of for dignitaries to give me a chances to present my project.
Now welcome Pikachu team एक साथ. Now please note the regulations, guidelines that you will be having 8 minutes for presentation and 5 minutes for question and answer sessions. Don't explain your PPT. Please direct proceed with the execution part.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I dive deep into the prototype, I would like to take just a minute to get into the topic. So imagine living in a world where no one understands you. Even if you have a voice, everyone is talking around you, having conversation, living their life, but you can't be a part of it because you can't hear them, they can't understand your language. So to tackle this problem, we created Sarthi Ek Saath, which is a sign language avatar that can convert real-time speech to sign language. So basically, why this is important is because even in Madhya Pradesh, the second largest state in India, it has Indore, which is the most populated city, still has only one interpreter which you can hire to convert sign language, to convert audio to sign language for the deaf users. So what we are targeting is like this: news channels, IPL, movie platforms, everyday conversations with one another, so that deaf individuals can feel, a part of this community, of this beautiful human society, which they every day face some challenge because they can't hear, they can't understand our language. And one more thing that is more important here is, why don't we just use captions? Well, because for deaf individuals, sign language is their first and preferred language. For these words are simply just images for them, they don't know how to pronounce, and since they don't know how to pronounce, it is not a feasible language to understand from caption, and that's why sign language is very important. Now coming to the tech stack, uh, so these are the technologies that we have used. Basically, we have created an avatar using Blender, and what we are doing is, the government has provided a really good data set. So this is the official website of Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, specially dedicated to sign language. They have given an entire dictionary of every single word in Indian Sign Language. That is 10,000 words are they have given like this. These are the words. So we have taken this data set, we have converted this uh, using media pipe library. We have taken out extracted the key points like this. In the absent first image, you can see the key points traced. So what we are doing is, for every single frame, we are extracting these key points. Then using Blender and Python scripts, we are putting it on our avatar, and each of this video can be accessed by a word what we speak in the website. So key points extraction, avatar, and through avatar directly converting speech to sign language. I will show you a short video to understand it better. So Here is an official Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center interpreter whose dataset we have used, and here is an avatar, and you can see the accuracy with which it is doing. So this shows the, since we are not using ML model, we are directly using automation to convert every single video directly onto an avatar, and using just a website 3JS, that is, we can easily have every single word converted to sign language. Currently we have converted 250 words for proof of concept. I will show you another beautiful thing that we have achieved. So like we all know, we all study from YouTube channels, we watch YouTube videos, Netflix, etc. So what about the deaf individuals? Can't they watch it? Well, now they can. Here's a short demo that can show you can directly insert the YouTube link that you want to watch. It will fetch the captions, and once the captions are fetched, the avatar will do exactly what the audio is saying in the video, totally sync. So by this, any deaf individual can, as you can see. Now coming to the actual prototype. So we have got two things. First, I will try to communicate with this avatar. Hello. She like rasgulla. Please wear jacket. It is cold outside. And another beautiful thing that we have achieved is basically 80% of deaf individuals are not completely deaf. They are partially deaf. So they can talk, but they don't, will to talk. They just depend totally on sign language. So to encourage them to pronounce, to, learn language, this is an avatar where they can test, they can actually practice. I will show you directly to understand. So, like, if I translate hello and accept, it will do the translation and it will give a pronunciation, it will give the phonetic of the word, so that they can practice in their, private time. They can practice it anywhere and anytime. So you can see it will give the phonetics so that they can also practice with sign language, that is their own language, and can start pronouncing and understanding words, languages. And they can select from every single word here, or they can directly, give the input. Hello. I have an idea. Now coming to the next thing, why it is, yeah. So the flowchart is basically user will input.
Please
Now
complete
there,
it fast. You left with 2 minutes, and you
Yeah,
also have a question and answer session also.
so that's the last thing that I want to cover is open source, and we are working tirelessly for it. We have visited NGOs where we had a moment with, we were logged with the deaf people in a room, and we had to talk with them using this, and they were really, overjoyed by this avatar, and they were talking, they were doing, read. We asked them, can you read? And they were understanding what it means, and they were trying to, have a conversation with it. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to scale it up and make it open source so that it can be available for everyone. We also filed an open source patent for this, and currently we are on 200 plus words, 500 words. Using this API, we can easily, every news channel, every single platform, Netflix, YouTube, etc., can integrate this and can be 24/7 accessible. So this is our short, innovation, something to give back to the society that we are working tirelessly from past 1 year. And please suggest some, more things that we can add to it. Thank you, ma'am. Please, sir,
Now,
some
question and
questions.
answer session.
Yeah, I think that what you showed is a website currently. So I'm just curious to know. Have you thought of the challenges that you might face when you're trying to develop a mobile app? Because in today's world, going on a website is comparatively more tiresome process than accessing the app directly. So have you thought of it?
Actually, ma'am, we have created a mobile app too, but because of its large size, like I have added the slide in it, the Flutter app. Why
Okay.
we are not using it is because we are trying to make the web application, web app mobile app, because the
Okay.
avatar size is very big. Right now it is small because it is 500 words, but when we
Mhm.
scale it up to 10,000 words, it will be a big file. And to download such big file on mobile apps, not it will not be a cup of tea for every deaf individual, because deaf individuals mostly are not that from welfare background.
Mhm.
That's why we are trying to use iframe, web view directly on Flutter app, that in app also it will be on website, and the mobile app will be easily available for those who can afford it, because its size will be 300 MB because of the avatar size,
Okay.
and that we cannot deal with. Like mobile, you have seen mobile games, right? Mobile games are
Mhm.
very huge in size because of that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Vihan, I like your project now. All the best for your future. I will also be waiting for your project to complete the total.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, ma'am.
I
Please,
like
any
it. Good,
suggestions?
Nana. Nothing, Nana. Everything is good. Everything is good because whatever the doubts I have, everything you explained very clearly. Everything is perfect. First, I thought that even the sentence formation is not there. Only the words it was explaining. But after that, you told the some two or three sentences, and it was very good, Nana. Okay. No questions. Thank
Thank
you.
you so Thank you so much.
I do have one more thing to ask. You added about that IPL frame in that slide. Uh, so, as far as I know, currently there exists option of sign language already. So, how do you plan to, I mean, extend your application to that level? Because it is quite good, but since you added it, that question just popped up in my head now.
Okay, ma'am. I will definitely clear your doubt. I added this to show that these are the things that government is trying, to include in platform. These are the examples where it is implemented, but not 24/7. Like in IPL, there it is, but not in every single match of international cricket. There is not Indian sign language or any sign language. In news
Yeah.
channel, it is for 30 minutes every day, 2 p.m. Doordarshan plays sign language. It is not available for 24/7.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So,
Okay.
and the human has to do it. I know it is their job, and that's why it is for only 30 minutes. But to make it accessible 24/7, that's why I showed these examples, that these are limited, but we can make it 24/7.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Shall we leave? Or
Yes, you can leave, but you have to join the meeting at last.
sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is this GNIT Vision X team? Mahesh, please.
Narration?
Hello, ma'am.
Are you from GNITC Vision Extreme?
No, ma'am. Devil.
Okay, you can proceed. Hello, Ravi Teja. Please turn on your
Yes,
camera.
ma'am. We are from JNIT Business, ma'am.
Okay, please turn on the camera. Video, please turn on your video. See that you have 8 minutes for presentation and 5 minutes for question and answer session. Don't explain the PPT, please direct explain the execution part. And you have just 8 minutes. Please proceed now. Please turn on your video. Please make it fast with execution part. Don't waste time.
A very good afternoon, everyone. We are from Team GNITC. So today we are going to explain about our topic is about the smart agriculture system using IoT. A smart agriculture system that refers to an application of these modern technologies to improve the farming practices. The topic is about the smart agriculture. As we all know, the agriculture is a backbone of our country. So we are took that the modern technologies that we are going to initiate in the farming practices to initiate and increase the efficiency use of the resources, and it integrates the IoT system. That IoT stands for the Internet of the Things, and we took few of the items that like Arduino, relay, moisturizer sensor and the temperature for agriculture purposes. Here we are collecting all these samples to generate the modern technologies using the smart agriculture system. So the Arduino is the brain of this system, so which the Arduino can connect all the connections through the relay, temperature sensor and the moisture sensor. So the Arduino is the key role of this entire agriculture system. So the Arduino is having, for example, the 3 volts. If we are applying more than the 3 volts, the relay here it is to generate that the relay here it is used to control the system Arduino to initiate our system practices. So here we are measuring about the temperature sensor as well as the moisture sensor. So for example, here we took about a small dumped garden. So the wet and the dry areas as we have mentioned here. When the dry area is initiated, now the automatically the temperature sensor that generates and the water systems can be included in this jar. So here we can see this. For example, the temperature sensor that which indicates the motor pump to generate the gardener area. For example, it is no need of necessary of the human to presence in this. So when we are inserting this temperature, the automatically the motor can be generated and on. Here in this Arduino, we are going to switch it. So the water can be initiated in this, and the automatically the water presence in the pump system can be generated, and the water in this garden area can be initiated. So likewise, without any uses of this, it can be initiated. So our total agriculture system is all depends upon the modern technologies, and it initiate the acts like a switch to control the devices like water pumps or the other tutorials of these based on these signals, and allowing water pump to turn the soil. So for example, the crop and the ideal moisturizer. Here we took the sample of this crop. For example, the wheat that the soil moisturizer it indicates about 20% to 30%, and the initiate the 70 percentage to 80 percentage. So likewise the crops we are taking like maize, sugarcane, potato, it indicates the soil moisture here. So the agriculture system depends on this technology, and in this system we can indicate the moisture and the soil moisture as well as the pump off and on signals. So here we can see the visuals.
So here we are using the soil moisture sensor. Whenever we are insert eating wet mud, it shows the moisture readings of the soil sensors. Here we are also making it for farmers more efficient, for automated water planting also. Here we are using the soil moisture sensor. If whenever we are inserting it in dry, the soil it senses the soil moisture sensor, it indicates 0%. Automatically the pump is on and it will pump to the it will gardening to the plants. If we are putting the moisture sensor readings, if it is wet, then it automatically pump turn off automatically. And this is the way the farmers can use it for automatic water planting also. Here we show the circuit diagram connections like this. Here we have to see the Arduino UNO we are using it, and the relay which
Please complete it first.
Here we are using a relay to control the voltage supply, and here we are using the motor pump as well to watering the plants, and the soil moisture sensor for sensing the moisture of the soil. Here we are also using the temperature as well. Whenever the temperature, based on the temperature conditions, the farmers get the request through the SMS format. Here we are using a GSM module as well.
Sai Sharanya, is this completed? Please unmute. Sai Sharanya. Sai Sharanya, please respond. Please make your mic on. And see, your time is completed. Now the question and answer session. Please, judges.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
No, is it, what is the cost you are spending for this project? That is the total, if I want to go with this one, what is is it okay for the common people?
Yes, ma'am. It is okay for common people.
And
How can you say?
it is applicable to both the farmers who are poor, and it is very cost efficient. The farmers, they can know it's very simple. Based on the sensor moisture reading values, they can uh, grow the crops in the particular area.
It can be understand to the normal farmers. It can be affordable for them.
And it is costly. It is not more expensive, ma'am. It is costly friendly, that which can even any farmers can also buy. Like the middle class
Okay,
families
the
of the
cost is
agriculture
okay.
farmers can also use this.
Okay, is it can be used, but it can be implemented in the by the farmers.
Yes, ma'am. But they require some training.
Mhm.
We need to present some demo to them. By that, they can initially identify the what are the sensors and what are the moisturizer sensor.
Easily they can
By that,
implement
they
by
can.
themselves.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, any more questions? Sridevi ma'am, any more questions?
Yes.
Akanksha Tripathi ma'am, any more questions? Sai Sharanya, thank you. Your time is completed. So you can join the meeting at last ending.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome Team Devil, Home Energy Management System. Please note it, you have 8 minutes for presentation and 5 minutes for question and answer session. Please proceed with the direct execution part. Don't explain the PPT.
Can we just present our screen to explain the
Please turn
prototype?
on your videos.
Can we present the screen to explain the prototype?
Yes, you can present. And please explain direct execution of prototype. Don't explain the PPT.
Okay, thank you. So my team members also wants to speak about home management system. Can they start it, or should
Please
we just
ask,
dive into
please ask your team members to send the request.
it?
Send the request. Google Meet.
Okay, I'll just ask them. Ishwani,
Hello,
start.
Sharon.
Start.
Uh, Good afternoon to all. This is Shavanti. I am here to explain a brief idea about our project, that is home energy management system. Home energy management system is a technology that here is our project. Can you see? Home energy management system is a technology that is designed to control, monitor, and optimize the energy within the households, and it is a device which makes the house owners to reduce the cost and energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. And the system can also adapt to user preferences and external factors like electricity, precisely, and weather conditions. These energy make usage of more efficient and eco-friendly. To reduce the energy consumption, we can develop the home energy management system using IoT. And this is a brief idea of the project. Now, my friend will continue this.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ishwani. I am here to explain some basic knowledge of the project. We present an IoT-based home energy management system with built-up in privacy protection, a unique blend of smart energy control and data security. We use motion and temperature sensors to control the device dynamically with real-time alerts buzzers and OLD for better using experience. Our system introduces a modified truncated lab vision mechanism enhancing overload detection. Our system built up with affordable components like Node MCU and PIR and temperature sensors and buzzer, and it's cost effective. Now my friend Anushti will explain the working principle of this project.
Hi everyone, I'm Anushree. Today I'm here to give a work to explain about the working model of our project. So firstly, the transformer will be which is consist of 220 volts of AC, and this is connected to the which is a diode rectifier, and it will rectify the current which produces the 12 volts of AC 12 volts of AC, and then we'll use a simple capacitor filter which will be produces the pure DC which converts into the 12 volts of DC, and the regulator which present in the project which it converts to the 5 volts and it supplies to the every component to work. So the regulator which will be give 5 volts to the MCU, which is microcontroller unit. It has a chip, so it only excites 3.3 volts, and the node MCU is which collects the data and it gives the alert to the user by helping of web interface, or like you can use mobile applications, and it is Wi-Fi capabilities. So we need to connect Wi-Fi to that. So the processed data will be sent to the users by using MCU. And next, the sensors, PI sensor, current sensor, voltage sensor, and PI voltage sensor, everything will be connected to the node MCU. So then, with the help of OLED, we'll get the values by displaying there. So first we'll get the temperature, then the current values, then voltage values. So with the help of PIR sensor, it will detect the motions or the movement of the person, and temperature sensor will be detecting the temperature of the person. So with the help of the buzzer, it gives alert to the people, and by the output we can say that by using our product, the energy ranges will be varying. So it will helpful for the energy management system, and our product will be helpful for the turn on applications. With the help of mobiles itself, we can on or we can off the lights with the help of our project. Now the Mahesh will take over about the object like advantages and disadvantages and applications.
No need to explain. We will directly go with the question and answer part because you have taken
Okay.
more 8 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can ask questions.
No questions, ma. Everything is okay.
Is it done, ma'am?
Yes, you can ask question, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once?
No, I mean to say that I do not have any specific question for this. It seems to be good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You can view the meeting, but please ensure that you should join the meeting at last.
Okay.
Please join the meeting at last. We will message you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello?
Welcome vehicle safety team. Vehicle safety with black box implementation. Please note that you have 8 minutes for presentation and 5 minutes for question and answer session. And note, please explain the direct execution part. Don't explain the presentation PPT. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You note down you have only 8 minutes of presentation and 5 minutes for question and answer session. Please explain only execution part. Don't explain the PPT.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all,
Please make sure video should be on.
what's ma'am?
Your video should be on.
Video on.
Devika is your team?
Yes, yes.
Yes, make her to on.
Good afternoon, ma'am. We are from Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering from Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra. Our project name is Vehicle Safety Black Box Implementation. In this project, firstly,
Please turn on your mic. Please turn on your mic.
Yes, yes.
Make sure to on only one mic. You are using two devices. It making disturbance.
Okay, एक
Ma'am, please 2 minutes.
Please make it fast. Only you have 8 minutes. Already 2 minutes is completed.
Okay, in this day-to-day life, the many accidents will be happen, but exactly we not know what accident will happen. So we can design a product to know what's happened in the accident. First, the person will enter the car. The alcohol is sensor is take its breath, and then they will check the alcohol, the person had alcohol or not. Their data will store into SD card module. So yes or no. In this, we use temperature sensor and humidity sensor to measure their readings.
Please share your screen and explain it.
Okay. Sir.
Make it fast, please.
Okay. चालू करते सर PPT This
I
this start
already told you don't explain the PPT. Please explain the execution part.
this data will be stored yes or no matlab, alcohol detect or not and temperature sensor reading and alcohol sensor readings will be stored into SD card module.
Okay, okay, okay. Please proceed. Complete within the time.
Okay. Uh, this reading yes or no alcohol is detected and then temperature and humidity values and they will store into memory card and the card will be this is the project, our overall project. This SD card module store into data and its alcohol sensor to detect the alcohol yes or no, and its temperature sensor to detect temperature value and humidity value. This all over data stored into SD card module, and that it's into a memory card that will be store accessible in memory card. So and this car will be sat on to MQ2 sensor. They are two. This is our project to connect with Arduino Uno and their alcohol sensor, temperature sensor, and SD card module. The overall data store into SD card module. There are the memory card which store the all over data, and this data will be required by the memory USB cable, and this is the data. This is data when alcohol is detected or not, which time will be detected on temperature, temperature which is present and humidity values in this project. Is technical feasibility to and applications to they have low cost they have low cost and they are implement using also using ESP32 for their other motors connection to control their motors using NCU motor connect app to monitor their motors and we will this is the block diagram to Arduino Uno connected to MQ2 sensor and temperature sensor, SD card module, GPS module to live location track, and the tilt sensor to the Gadi will be vehicle to vehicle, and they will live location will be tracked by GPS module. And also ultrasonic sensor used to when cars distance is 30 meter, the car speed will be placed down and the distance will 10 less than 20
Thank you. Your
centimeters.
time is completed.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. It's time for questions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I have one question. Related with the automated alert and logging feature, if an accident happens, does your system alert the driver or others? And if yes, is it also storing the data somewhere, the accident data somewhere? Is it
Yes,
doing it?
storing the data in SD card module.
Okay. Okay. And how about the alert, the system alert to drivers or others?
Uh, when alcohol is detected, a car will be stopped, and this data stored into SD card module. So, real time monitoring not happen.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
You're using ESP32, right? For the black box testing.
control the
For
motors.
the microcontroller, yeah. You can use Arduino also, right? Arduino is cheaper than this one, and also Arduino has the higher performance comparatively ESP32. What is the main thing why you're using ESP32 here? This is my first question.
Ma'am, actually, the car will be not working on Arduino Uno. They're controlled by the ESP32, so we'll include in this project also ESP32.
Is it only for the alcohol detection or also the drowsiness and all? It can be
Alcohol
detected the
detection.
drowsiness, only the alcohol detection is going to be done with this
Yes,
microcontroller.
alcohol detection. Yes.
Your project is only basing on the alcohol control only.
No, alcohol or all the data, temperature values, humidity values, alcohol, and all the data like ultrasonic sensor, distance between two cars, and also tilt sensor and GPS location will be shared into the SD card module.
Okay.
Thank you, vehicle safety team. You can give the
I have one more question. Is this implemented by you already, or
Yeah.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
thank you, vehicle safety team. Please rejoin the meeting at last.
Okay.
Okay, you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma. What about the next batch, Alekia?
Yes, ma'am, we are informing them. Please.
Please be before only because already the time is, and also we have remaining 5 projects, I think.
Yes, ma'am, we are
And
informing.
also don't ask them not to go with the presentation slides. Already the presentation slides they have been forwarded to
Yes,
us.
ma'am, I'm informing them, but they are
Uh,
explaining.
okay, Nana. Okay.
Welcome, Code Patterns teams.
Good
Intelligence
afternoon,
Energy
ma'am.
Consumption Trackers IoT enabled app. Please
Hmm.
make sure to turn on your video.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please turn.
Myself.
And please note down, I have to make two guidelines. You have 8 minutes for presentations and 5 minutes for
Okay.
question and answer session. Please explain only the execution part. Don't explain the PPT presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please
I'm
make sure
T.
it should be completed in 8 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. I'm my project name is Intelligent Consumption Energy Tracker, ma'am, with IoT enabled app, and this is our project. This project works on DC current, and the current comes from normal DC current, and this this wire is known as working for the project, and this is the for using measuring the current, ma'am. Like this the process, ma'am. This is the transformer which is used for convert 230 voltage of AC current to DC current, and this is the rectifier which works on DC current, and this is you know where the code will be processed, and this is the Wi-Fi module which sends the amount of current uses in the project, ma'am, and this is a opto code which is used to say, link the signals between the AC and DC current, this buzzer, and we can able to see the readings, ma'am. Here are the readings. In this, we can also able to read the code in. We can able to see the readings in our phone, ma'am. Can I show, ma'am?
Can I show, ma'am?
Yes, please.
We use us connecting using the Blink app, ma'am. In Blink app, we source the reading now, ma'am. Unit 1 and amount 0.006, ma'am. Can you able to see, ma'am?
Yes, ma. Yes.
The unit is 1, ma'am, and the amount is 6, ma'am. If I switch off the current means it will become 0, ma'am. It's become 0, ma'am. Then again I am honing the current, and which means it's for the first, from first it shows, ma'am. That's our project, ma'am.
When you switch off, it is going to be 0. That it is not going to be. It is not showing here, na? In on your
1 minute, ma'am.
energy meter. When you switch off, the 0 is not
Yes,
showing,
ma'am.
na?
1 minute, ma'am. So, I'm I want to. It's become 0, ma'am. Next, when again starting means, then again first itself it will become 0, and the amount will be goes on, ma'am. Look, I'm switched off, ma'am, so it becomes 0, ma'am. Now I'm starting to run the program, ma'am.
Okay.
It's running, ma'am. So the amount will be increasing according to the units, ma'am. The unit is 1, ma'am. Amount is 3, ma'am. I'm currently offing the current,
No, no,
ma'am.
no. Let it go. Let it go for the 2. Don't switch off. Let it go for the
Okay.
2.
Only moves slowly, ma'am, because
That's what.
yes, ma'am, because we are using iron boxes for eating the.
I didn't understand.
Ma'am, I'm using iron box, ma'am, for eating the supply, so it's very slow reading, ma'am.
Can you show that video how you are using? How you are going demonstration? Can you show that video about the demonstration?
Ma'am?
Can you show the video of demonstration how you are increasing your units so that your
Yes, ma'am.
amount will be increased?
Okay, ma'am. I'm currently in iron box means it's after eating sometimes it will the reading will be off, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, okay, continue.
I cannot able to hear, ma'am.
Okay, Nana, continue. Show me.
Now I'm giving iron box, ma'am. After the iron box hits one certain time, the reading amount will be passed, ma'am, because the iron box is fully heated, ma'am. That's all,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Show
Now
me
the
the
reading is
units
2
now.
rupees.
Yeah,
Ma'am?
show me the units now.
Unit 2, ma'am, rupees 9, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Nana.
Ma'am. That's all our project, ma'am.
Nana, I'm done with the questions.
Yeah, I just have a small question of what is the feasibility of implementing it practically, like um, in the practical real world.
I mean, practical real world from our district, the major problem is reading the current, ma'am. Some mostly most of them cannot able to view the current in our mobile phones, and it drastically decreasing. So that we introduced this project, we can where we can able to show them, ma'am. We by using a hotspot, we can able to connect with our metered connections to view the unit and the amount of rupees we spend for the electricity, ma'am.
Okay.
How we
Okay.
how we can able to easily what are the steps for energy consumption also, ma'am? Energy consumption tracker, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. No more questions
Thank
from
you.
me.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Tulsidasan?
Hello, ma'am.
Which team you belong to?
Ma'am,
Belongs to which
I
team?
belong to the current team. Just now he finished the seminar, ma'am. Shall I leave now, ma'am?
Yes, you can leave.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Hello? Is this course partner? Naveen Kumar.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Which team you belong to?
Coach partners.
Okay. Please note down the guidelines. You have 8 minutes for presentations and 5 minutes for execution part. Question
Oh,
and answer. And please make sure don't explain the PPT, explain the execution part. And you have only 5 minutes.
ma'am, my teammates are not inside.
Please ask them to send the request, and can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
please tell their names?
Ma'am,
Your team members' names.
Vishnudas and Tulsidasan.
Ask them to send the request.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure you should complete in 5 minutes for execution part and 5 minutes for question answer session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Naveen Kumar, please proceed.
Ma'am. My teammates are saying that we are completed.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ankit?
Last present. Last 13.
Hello, ma'am.
Is this present policy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm sharing a screen.
Okay, please make sure you have 5 minutes for execution part and 5 minutes for question answer session.
Okay, ma'am.
Please complete within 5 minutes.
So, ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon. So, my name is Aniket Gaikwad, and I'm presenting a present pal. So, present pal is basically a AI-powered virtual avatar where user can simply put their presentation and their image of user, and behalf of that user, we can present their PPT. Our problem statement was clear that if the peoples are not available, or sometimes it happened that they are busy in anything, so they can not come to and present their PPT. So behalf of their, we can present, we are present pal can present their PPT. So So the scheduling and the availability, the conflict
Please don't
schedules.
explain the PPT, explain the execution part.
Ma'am, it's not displaying a PPT. Just it take a time to generate avatar. So it's only take 2 minutes
Okay.
to generating avatar, and
Okay.
that left hand side will
Okay.
be. So, ma'am, we are providing a solution where present pal is giving a user to authority or something that help to them to present their PPT, because nowadays everyone having a schedule packed, and they are also shy. Sometimes people face the issue to uh, explain their PPT during a presenting time. So present pal is providing a way to present your PPT. So just it take 3 minutes to generate it. Basically, I creating from multiples model where I using a spleen thin model to generate videos, and second model was a CoCube TTS model to generate audios based on their text in a PPTs, and that text converted into embedded, and that embedded feed it to the LLM models to generate a best level PPT presenter text, and that text will be converted into audio format, and that audio format will be goes to the thin spleen model that generating a user image video, and it goes to the last model where the wave to live that synchronize their synchronize their audio and their video. So it's take only 5 to 10 minutes, because it's required a AI server, but I'm running in locally by using a Google Colabs. Its API through NGROP to tunneling through APIs.
Hello everyone and welcome. We are Team Present.
Audible? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, its video is audible.
Yes, yes.
And we are excited to Hello everyone and welcome. We are Team Presentpal and we are excited to introduce you to Presentpal, your AI virtual avatar designed to revolutionize the way you present. We are Aniket Gaikwad and Darpan Thakre from GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur, and we are thrilled to show you what Presentpal can do. Introducing Presentpal, the AI-powered solution that's revolutionizing the way we present. Imagine using virtual avatars to deliver your PowerPoint presentations, answering questions in real time. With Presentpal, you can overcome scheduling conflicts, conquer stage fright, and effortlessly deliver engaging presentations that captivate your audience. Let's talk about some common challenges in the world of presentations. Many struggle with the logistics of scheduling and finding available presenters, especially across different time zones. Plus, creating truly engaging content can be difficult, leading to low audience participation and retention, compounded by the fact that many people experience stage fright and lack opportunities to practice and improve their delivery. Let's dive into Presentable, our innovative solution that's revolutionizing presentations. Presentable is an AI-powered platform that takes your standard PowerPoint and transforms it into a dynamic, interactive experience by creating a virtual avatar that looks like you, presents your slides naturally, and even answers audience questions in real time using only the information you've provided. Okay, let's dive into the tech that powers Presentable and makes it tick. We've carefully selected and customized a suite of AI models to create a smart, interactive virtual presenter, focusing on realistic movement, natural speech, and accurate responses to your audience's questions. We leverage a robust tech stack including React for the user interface, Express.js for the backend, and powerful AI models hosted on Google Colab to bring Presentable to life. Presentable is revolutionizing presentations with 3 key features. First, our AI creates a virtual avatar from your photo that presents your slides with lifelike realism. Second, the avatar understands your slide content and explains it clearly with natural speech and synchronized lip movements. Finally, ask any question during the presentation, and our advanced RAG model delivers instant, slide-specific answers, making it a truly interactive experience. Presentable revolutionizes presentations by offering a human-like AI presenter that mirrors your voice and expressions, setting it apart from simple voiceovers. By simply uploading your PowerPoint and a photo, Presentable automates the entire presentation process, generating narration and synced video without needing manual scripts or coding. And with real-time Q&A powered by our RAG model, Presentable intelligently answers audience questions based directly on your slide content, making it feel like you have a genius co-presenter. Impact and future scope. Impact. Democratizing presentations. Presentable empowers anyone, regardless of public speaking skills or language barriers, to deliver professional and engaging presentations. Education revolution. Students can create presentations that speak for themselves, helping in self-learning, flipped classrooms, and confidence building. Corporate efficiency saves hours for teams by auto-generating presentations and handling live Q&A, improving productivity and communication. Future scope. Multilingual avatars. Future updates will support real-time translation, enabling global presentations in multiple languages. Emotion and gesture syncing. Integration with emotion detection for more expressive and relatable avatars. Enterprise integration. Seamless embedding with platforms like Zoom, MS Teams, and Google Meet for corporate use. Challenges faced. Generating realistic avatars from a user image. Hard to generate accurate facial expressions and lip sync from just one image. Matching skin tone, lighting, and head pose dynamically is a big challenge. Real-time avatar animation. Achieving natural facial movement and body language in real time without lag. Maintaining synchronization between speech and facial expression. Contextual understanding of PPTs. Most AI tools just read slides line by line. Difficult to understand the core message, flow, or speaker intent. Handling real-time questions, Q&A, need advanced NLP to understand varied human questions and tone. Must respond naturally like a human presenter, not a chatbot. Conclusion. Creating a live AI avatar that can present like a human, answer real-time questions, and understand the true context of a presentation is a bold and ambitious goal. While we faced significant challenges in generating realistic avatars, syncing voice with facial expressions, and enabling contextual understanding of PPTs, each obstacle brought valuable insights. By leveraging the latest advancements in generative AI, NLP, and real-time animation, we are getting closer to making Presentable a powerful virtual presenter, one that doesn't just read slides but understands, engages, and communicates like a real human. This innovation has the potential to redefine how presentations are delivered in the future, more personalized, interactive, and intelligent. Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, if anyone can provide its image with, I'm create a real-time presenter. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. I think your project is good. I just want to know, do you know about the Microsoft Virtual Avatar? It seems to be quite similar to that. Can you tell the USP of your project?
Ma'am, it's ma'am, I can simply where the user uploading a PPT where I can give a Q&A section. So if I can back and ask a question related to PPT, tell me about PPT. So it gave a written back answer related to PPT only.
Okay.
Answers user queries in real time based only on uploaded PPT content with facial expressions and enabling contextual understanding of PPTs.
Ma'am, only
Hello
related
everyone
to the PPT
and
you can
welcome.
ask question only.
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
Ma'am, only a PPT related question you can ask, so it give a accurate answer because I'm feeding a PPT data only to the RAG. It's a retrieval argument generation.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
I mean, I don't know about that. You said Microsoft. I don't really know that they are working on that, but I think
Yes,
one.
actually, there exists a similar thing which is Microsoft Avatar, and it is widely used by a lot of people. I'm not sure about the entire implementation of it, but I do have some idea because it is quite similar to what you have done. The only thing is that they generate the avatars which are not human-like, and in your case, I see this is a bit difference and it is good.
Ma'am, also I can mention something that I have a future scope where I can just like Google Meet where is going. So it's where my video is playing on that. That section will be a avatar take and entire section will be a PPT.
Okay.
And I required a lot of AI servers. That's why I'm facing that issue. But if I get that, I can go to a next level.
Okay, yes. Okay. All the best for it. Thank you. No more questions from me.
Can I leave, ma'am?
Yeah, no more questions from me also. It is a good project, Nana.
Okay.
Thank you. Ria Tony. Ria Tony. Both of you are which team? Please mention your team name or else you will be disqualified.
Good morning. We are the
Ria, can you
members.
please tell me which team you belongs to?
We are from Computer Science Department.
No, team name.
Our team name is VirtuX.
Okay, okay. Is Tom belongs to your team?
Yes, Philomena Tom belongs to my group.
Please turn on your video and share your screen and proceed it. And must you have only 8 minutes of 5 minutes of presentation and 5 minutes of question answer session. Please complete it fast. Ria.
Okay.
Okay, make sure you should complete in 5 minutes. Explain only execution part. Don't explain the PPT. It's almost 2:40. You should complete it by 2:45.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we start?
Yes.
Please proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Philo Minato from Amarjyoti College of Engineering. I am a computer science and cybersecurity student. And you, Ria?
And me, I am from Amal Jyoti too. So I am just carrying my computer science at Amal Jyoti College of Engineering. Okay.
So today we are going to present our new project, which is MedMind. Here is the table of contents. First we go with introduction, then problem statement, then its methodology, case studies, key features, user experience, advantages and its limitations, future scope and conclusion. So welcome to MedMind. MedMind is a personal health companion designed to help you to stay on top of medications, monitor vital signs, and manage appointments. This application bridges the gap between a person and his proactive healthcare. There are so many features like timely reminders, health trackers, and secure record keeping. MedMind also control your well-being whenever, whether if you are managing a chronic condition or you are trying to building healthier habits. MedMind will definitely will help and support on your each and every step. So the problem statement is in this today's fast-paced world, managing health is a very difficult task. Many individuals struggles with the everyday issues like forgetting medication timings, missing important appointments, lack of structural health monitoring, difficulty in accessing emergency contacts. These all things. While we are saying these all things are very easy and simple, but when we go in a real life scenario or a real life situation, this becomes very crucial and it's life threatening. So these statements and these problems led us to give a way to think about the project MedMind. So here is the methods that to make manage our health simple with very need in one app. Medicine reminders, healthy tracking, appointments, emergencies. So these are the icons we added to these MedMind applications which help each and everyone to uh, each and everyone to help in their daily life. With MedMind, taking care of your health is easier than ever. So here is we have given a case study of a man of age 58. He is struggling with type 2 diabetics and he has hypertension. So before he using the MedMind, he faced the challenges like he missed the appointments, missed the medicines, then note structured log of sugar or BP readings. After using this MedMind application, he was get rid of these all problems he had faced earlier. So key features.
So let me continue with the key features. And this key features includes many options. The first one is the doctor's appointment. Second one, emergency contact. Third one, smart medicine reminder. And this doctor's appointment in this modern scenario, many peoples are struggling and many emergency situations occurs and people may die due to late consultation to doctors. So using this MedMind app, we can consult the doctors on time and we have emergency contact options. And using these emergency contact options, we can make emergency contacts as per the patient's or in any age. The main advantage of this app is that peoples in any age can use this app, and emergency contact is there to help them quickly make consultations on time. And we have personalized health tracker. Based on the user's input, the health tracker help us to detect the what sugar, BP, and all. And curated health tips are also get updated day by day with the help of this user's profile. And seamless medicine ordering options are there, and we can order the options according to our preferences. So that's all about mainly the key features. Next comes the user experience. In this user experience, there is a clean homepage overview and the onboarding experience smart reminder. So onboarding experience means we have a simple and a clean sign up and login options, which we can be login or sign up using email addresses, password, and all. So the peoples in any age can, which they may be not any tech savvy, or even any people can use this. In the peoples in the modern or olden era can use this app in a easy manner. So that's mainly this app means to be, and this smart reminder options are there. We can take the medicine on time. And next comes the advantages. We have health tracking options and advantages. Advantages is that medication adherence may resume, means that the users can use this medications with they can stay consistent over time, and a user friendly experience, which means that on seeing this interfaces itself, they can understand what we have to do next. And accessibility focused, which means the interfaces or things are very easy. They can move on to this next interfaces. No need to know that no need of any experience in using the apps. They can use this any options as they wish. And secure and private data encryption is there. Every data are very secure, and in this payment options and place order options, we have given there is a user data is encrypted. This notifications are always given while placing the order. And we have also, as I already said, there is emergency supports. So that's all about the advantages. And many of this, there are many advantages, and some limitations are there to this.
Hello, Ma, you go with the model. Why to explain all the PPT, Ma? You're explaining the total PPT. Already the PPT has been forwarded by you. We have selected the PPT. You came for the demonstration only. This round is full of demonstration. Alexia, please inform to the participants to go with the demonstration right away. Don't read PPT once again. I informed them again.
Okay. So you can stop the sharing, and I just share the app. I think you guys can. So this is the splash screen. This is something like ads. This is the login and sign up page. This is the login page. And this is the sign up page. We have email address and password to sign up. We reach the home page, and this is the home page. And if I click onto this doctor's appointment page, this is the interface that opens. We can take the appointments according to this preferences. We have medicine reminder option. Health tracker based on user's input. We have health tips which will be updated day by day according to this user's condition. And on emergency situation, we can use this emergency option to make calls. And if there is if there is any medicines required, we can order it directly to this app. Proceed to checkout. This is the page. And if I continue with this ordering process, I will reach here. We can place the order anyway. Placing the order, we get this notification. If I click to this done button, we will reach this home page. And
Okay,
the
there
main
is continue.
so we have SVM detector. So SVM detector is the main advantage of this. We can this is the image detection. We can detect the diseases in our not the external organs. Many of this external diseases or any scratches, we can just capturing the images and uploading here. It will detect the diseases correctly. So that's SVM detector means. SVM means sensory vector machine. And we have help and support options. We can add the account here. Profile options, we can edit it. Settings options are also available. And if there is no any enough Wi-Fi connection, it will show this notification. So these are all about our mainly the MedMind app.
Hello, I have a question for you, Nana.
Yeah.
What are you did not mention in the even in the PPT also? What are the softwares you have been used for your project? You did not explain or you did not mention in the PPT also.
We mainly use the tool named Figma as a whole.
Only one tool you are using for the total app development?
Yes. We use the tool Figma for the entire app.
But already like the same apps, we have different apps like the same, like medical reminder or the doctor reminder. What is the main advantages of the same thing? I have seen the same thing with MediSafe, and also MindMed is also one app is there, and even website is also there. Uh, what is the difference of all those apps and this app?
We will regularly we will send the notifications.
Yeah, for all the notifications we are getting
And,
for the remaining apps
and
also, no?
about the appointments, their reminders, something like
Yes, we can use this app. What to say? Doctors appointment in this era. I already said that many people are facing or leading to death due to the lack of or time delay in reaching doctor's consultation. So we can get early notifications according to our health through this app. We can make easy consultations or appointment through this app.
No questions from me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request you, Ria, to be in the meeting.
Okay.
With that, we will conclude the project presentations for the virtual Vista 2.0.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunjan, any doubt? With that, we will conclude the project presentations for the virtual Vista 2.0. We would like to invite the participants to share their experience and thoughts on this competition. Ria, I request you to share your experience. Anyone can share the experience.
Hello, may I
Hello,
audible?
Gunjan.
May I audible,
Yes, yes,
ma'am?
yes.
Uh, Ma'am, it is a great experience to participate in Virtual Vista. It is a great experience from starting itself. The participation pamphlet, uh, from participation pamphlet to the ending of the Virtual Vista, the presentation also. It is a way best systematic designing an event which we having.
Please, Gunjan, turn on your video. I request all the participants to turn on their video.
Uh, so it is a very great experience to present our presentations or something that is like first round, second round, and third round. First round are PPT round. The way of submission of PPT and the way of presentation, the uh, coordination of the student or teachers to participate in Virtual Vista. Proper guidance, proper notification will held in proper time. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your experience. Now I would like to welcome our respected academic expert, Sridev ma'am, to share their thoughts.
Good afternoon, Ma. It has been an absolute honor and privilege to serve as an internal jury member for the incredible event Virtual Vista 2.0. I'm deeply impressed by the creativity, innovation, and the technical skills showcased by all the participants. Each project presented offered a unique perspective of their experiences. Your dedication towards the project presentation is very inspiring and commendable. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Akanksha Tripathi ma'am as an external jury member, and most importantly to all the organizers for your hard work and passion towards our virtual Vista event, and it has successfully completed the second round also. Thank you one and all. Akanksha, go ahead, Nana.
Yeah, thanks for having
Sorry,
me.
sorry. Uh, Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
One more student is there, so that I called
Oh,
to that student, not you, ma'am.
okay, okay. No issues, no issues. Yeah, but if even I can share my experience, it was a great time to be here and to know about all the students being so technically good and sound in this time, and it is really nice to be a part of and to have been judging them all throughout. Thanks for having me here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Actually, I called to one students by
Okay,
mistake.
okay, no issue, ma'am, no issue. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Alekia?
Sorry for the disturbance. I now invite industrial expert to share a few words with us. Akanksha Tripathi ma'am.
Yeah, actually, the same things that I just shared. Nothing more from me. Thanks for having me. It was a great time. Thanks for sharing the appreciation letter. I just read it. Thank you. And yes, I do look forward to collaborating in future as well.
Thank you, ma'am. As we approach the end of the extraordinary event, it's time to acknowledge the efforts and contributions to have made Virtual Vista 2.0 a resounding success. To extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have been the part of the journey, I would like to invite Mr. Arun Singh sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Alekia, for inviting me. So, good afternoon to everyone. Uh, I am Arun Singh, the Assistant Professor in the Department of CSC, GNITC. I am here to express my vote of thanks for this event. So, as we draw the curtains on this inspiring journey of innovation and learning, it is my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee of Virtual Vista 2.0, the national level online project competition hosted by the IEEE Computer Society at Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus, Hyderabad. First and foremost, a heartfelt thanks to our esteemed judges. First, as an academic expert, Associate Professor Mrs. K. Sridevi Madam, and as an industrial expert, Ms. Akansha Tripathi Madam, who have generously shared their time and insights. Your thoughtful evaluations and encouraging feedback have added immense value to the participants' efforts. To all the participants, thank you for showcasing such brilliant ideas and technical expertise. Your passion and creativity made this competition a truly enriching experience. To our organizing team, your dedication behind the scenes efforts and seamless execution ensured the success of this event. Let us carry forward the spirit of innovation and collaboration that Virtual Vista 2.0 has celebrated today. Thank you once again, and we hope to see you in the next edition. Now, to all the participants, here we would like to have one small announcement. So, as Guru Nanak institutions, we always believe that innovations and research is a continuous part of academics. So, we are organizing a national level conference, the National Conference on Futuristic Technologies on 30th and 31st May 2025. So, for this, the students can participate and share their papers, whatever research work or innovation work they are trying to do, because it is a great chance to showcase your research, creativity, and innovative ideas in the field of futuristic technologies. So you can register in the upcoming conference that will be on 30 and 31st May of 2025.
Thank you, sir.
So, this event will be organized in association with Computer Society of India on 30 and 31st May 2025. Kindly come forward and participate, and also share with your friends and your known ones to come forward and be a part of this national conference on futuristic technologies organized by Guru Nanak Department of CSC, Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus in association with Computer Society of India. Thank you one and all. Thanks. Alekia, you can go forward.
Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their extraordinary efforts, to our judges for their valuable time and insights, and to our organizing team for making this event a grand success. And a small reminder regarding the feedback form, I would like you all to take some time and fill the feedback form that has been posted in your group. Thank you everyone for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you again next year. Have a great day. I request all the student participants to fill the feedback form. Those who are filling the feedback form, they will only get the certificate. Please note it. अब your net is connected. Thank you everyone. Participants can leave the meeting.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Where we have to fill the form?
Hello.
Hello, excuse. Hello,
Hello.
ma'am. Where do we have? Hello.
Hello. You can ask.
Where we have to fill the form?
We will send you the link in the group. Please send it, and the results will be announced on the 10th of the May.
10th of the May. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Akanksha Tripathi ma'am, and thank you, Sridevi ma'am, for making the event grand success.
Thank you. I'll leave the call now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. You can leave the participants. You can also leave the call. Thank you everyone for joining us today.